My name is Christine G, and I'm going to be going over this problem. Here, there's a survey where 45% of people are talking to their pets on their answering machine, and the veterinarian thinks that this is too high. So she does her own sample, and then we're asked what the null and alternative are. So the population proportion for the null would be equal to 0.45, and then for the alternative, she thinks it's less than that, significantly less than 0.45. So we put that in, and that looks good. And then it says to use technology to find the p-value. So we can open up StatCrunch, and once it loads, go into Stat, and then Proportion Stats, one sample with the summary data. And then we know the null is equal to 0.45, and the alternative is less than 0.45. And then we need to put in the number of successes on her survey, which was 57. Talk to their pets out of 150 people surveyed, and then we can compute that, and then we'll get a p-value 0.0424. So let me put that in there. Into 3 decimal places, so 0.042. And then, does the veterinarian have a right to be skeptical? So let's take a look at that. Right now, the level of significance is 0.1, and this is inside that area. So let me go ahead and try and draw a picture. Hopefully this will work. So just gonna, maybe I can draw it in here. Okay, let's see how this works for me. And I'm going to draw a normal bell curve. And this should be all symmetrical and everything, but I'm just doing it to illustrate the rejection area. So it says the alpha level is 0.1. So, and then since this is a left-tailed test, because it's less than, so it would be down in this tail, we would have 0.1 or 10% of the data is down there in the tail. Let me color it. Oops, yellow. Oh, it went blue. And then here our p-value is down below that. So let me try and change a color and see if that will work. So there's 0.1, the area in here, or 10%, and then this is like 4.2%, so maybe just half of that. So it might be like right down here. So let's see. Well, let me draw here. So it's down in here. So it is definitely far away from the mean. The mean's in the middle. Or, I'm sorry, the population proportion is in the middle. And then it's far enough away, it's in the rejection region. So here it asks, let me go ahead and get rid of this. Does the veterinarian have a right to be skeptical? So there is sufficient evidence to conclude that the true proportion of pet owners who talk to their pets on their answering machine or telephone is less than 45%. That, I would say, is correct. So let's see. Perfect. So that is it. And I think it's great. Thank you for watching, and let me know if you have any questions, and I hope this was helpful. Thanks so much. Have a good